This story serves as a reminder of how infidelity often starts small and grows when boundaries are crossed. It's also a testament to the fact that rebuilding trust is possible, but it's a long and painful process. The business trip revelation. Time's full. Lisa and Mark had been married for 12 years and were raising 2 children together. Mark had a demanding job as a sales executive, which required frequent business trips. Lisa trusted him implicitly and never questioned his late nights or extended stays in other cities. One day, while Mark was away on yet another trip, Lisa received a friend request on Facebook from a woman she didn't know. The woman, named Natalie, sent her a private message soon after. "I don't want to cause problems, but I think you deserve to know the truth." Lisa's stomach churned as she opened the message. Natalie explained that she had been seeing Mark for over a year and thought he was single until she discovered his family photos online. Initially, Lisa didn't believe it. She thought Natalie might be lying, but Natalie sent screenshots of text conversations with Mark, as well as photos of them together during his supposed business trips. One picture showed them at a restaurant in a city where Mark had claimed to be at a conference. It was undeniable. When Mark returned home, Lisa confronted him immediately. At first, he denied everything, but when Lisa showed him the evidence, he broke down and admitted to the affair. He said it started when he met Natalie at a conference. What began as harmless flirting escalated into a full-blown relationship. He claimed he felt unappreciated at home and sought excitement elsewhere. Lisa was devastated. She told Mark to leave the house and take time to think about what he truly wanted. Over the next few weeks, she went through waves of anger, sadness, and disbelief. Mark tried to reconcile, promising to end the affair and attend therapy. Lisa considered it but realized that the betrayal had shattered her sense of security and trust. Eventually, she decided to file for divorce. She felt it was better for her and her children to move forward rather than live in the shadow of Mark's infidelity. Years later, Lisa rebuilt her life, found happiness, and said the experience taught her to trust her instincts and prioritize her self-worth. This story highlights how betrayal can come from the person you least expect, but also how it's possible to come out stronger on the other side.